Hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna try to live solve the entire junior contest in this video. So we'll do 2011's CCC junior. I hope I can solve this entire contest within an hour. Okay. Okay, let's start a timer. So the first question, which alien? Let's open all the question up. In this video, we're gonna code everything in REPL. So give me a second. Okay, my computer is lagging when there's OBS running in the background. Okay, let's try to read the problem first. So I will choose to write in Java, although I'm not super good at it, because like most people use it. So okay, let's see the problem. So for antennas, that's like how many eyes? 5 eye. So it cannot be Troy. So we can cross it out for this first sample, and which leave us we can also cross this third one out because there's no way that that's possible. Okay. Wait. With outputs showing text, user input is in italics. Well, this question is kind of like troll because we had to output first, but whatever. Let's just do what it requires. Okay. So we're basically gonna ask 2 questions and the user gonna input their answer. Okay, let's code it. Pretty sure we need a scanner. So let's create a scanner first, even though we don't need it as a first. Scanner, scan. Okay, so let's ask the first problem. First question. Let's just copy it from the original thing, because I don't want to lose mark for missing E or like whatever. Int antenna count, and just call 8. Int a equals to scanner scan dot next in. Alright, if we want to play this safe, we're just gonna use integer dot parse int scanner dot next line, and that's it. That's our first input, and it should be antennas. So our second input is eyes. Just a good old scanner scan. My computer is lagging so much, so I'm gonna close something. Okay, I'm back. I closed all of the tabs I opened, and yeah, so it's still lagging. Jeez, I hate my computer. So the second question should be how many eyes, and the input will give up answer. So let's run some if statements. So let's take a look at the question. So if there's less than 3, wait, that is actually kind of troll. Let's just use 3 if statements, so it shouldn't be like, I don't wanna lose mark because I'm too lazy. So if antennas is bigger than 2 and eyes is smaller than 5, and it should be Troy Martinian. Yeah, let's just output Troy Martinian if that's the case. Bruh, this, I hit right on my computer. Hold on. So, so we gotta output all the cases, which is what our program gonna do. So we are not gonna use else if, because our description may be fit for 2 kinds of aliens. So let's just use 3 if statements. If antennas is smaller than 7, okay, and I is bigger than 1, then it should be called valid Saturnian. Let me just copy this thing. Don't want to mess up because of that. And the last scenario is, what if there's antenna is smaller than 3 and at most 3 eyes, it means, wait, my brain is slow. So at most 3 eye, which means it's like, what? I is smaller than 4. Okay, I literally spent like 4 seconds to come up with that conclusion. That's very small brain. So we're just gonna output this name. just still kind of long. Yeah, I think now our program should be good to go. Let's try to run it. Bro, what? Oh, okay. print. One more n. It's not good. How many antennas? So 4, 5. Yeah, so that's the sample output. Let's run the second sample, which is 2 and 3. And there should be like 2 output. For my computer is so slow, like I literally it's waiting for my compiler forever. Okay, seems right. And 8.6. Let's try that. 8 and 6. It should be nothing. Okay, nothing. That's good. It means everything is good. And let's just go to the second thing, second junior problem. How many time I spent on this? Geez, 6 minutes. Well, I paused it, so it's like more than 6 minutes. That's a lot. That's right. So J2. I'm gonna submit everything at the end. So yeah, I'm pretty confident this will work. Just download everything, and yeah, it takes a lot of time, so I'm too lazy to do that. Let's create another repo. Called this is called J2. Oh, it seems like we have an equation, which is kind of fun. Okay. So we have H and M. Right, this is kind of like hard. Let me read this one more time. Okay, it predicts the altitude. Oh, I kind of have an idea about this. Okay, so when the altitude is equal to 0, wait, does my output supposed to be an integer or like double? Floating point number? Because if it's integer, I literally can just loop everything through and it'll be really easy. If it's like decimal points, I have to literally like try to solve this equation, which is kind of not fun. Okay, so I will assume this thing is like, is that just integer, so I will just loop everything through. I probably can do this faster in C++, but whatever. Let me get a quieter keyboard. Okay. So let's do this. Gotta import the good old util. Okay. Oh no. Deleted too much. So what we have is two things, H and M. Oh, not saying not as simple as C++ because we have create scanner. Oh, oops. It should be system.in. So H equals to scanner. Our name for scanner is scan. Next int. And M is also next int. So basically we're just gonna loop through to the maximum hour. Well, I think it's, wait a second. Yeah, it's supposed smaller or equal to. So if we couldn't see the balloon touch the ground, we just gonna output nothing. Gonna output this big chunk. Okay, current A equals to wait, what is it? Humidity factor, so we have H. So -6 times I to the power of 4. This is how we do the things in Java, probably. So that's the first thing, times H times mass to the power of 3. Let's minimize this. Wait, you guys cannot see it. Shoot. I hope you guys can catch up. Power I to 3 plus 2 times mass power I to 2 plus I. If current A, doesn't this have autocomplete? Small r equals to 0. We're just gonna system exit. Yeah. But before we do that, we gotta output 2 lines of things. The first line is, I mean, this is so like unnecessary. You can just let me output the I, so I don't have to do all this kind of stuff. And the second line of output should be I. Jeez, my computer is lagging so much. So it's like I, yeah. Wait, we don't print I, we print I's value. Okay, it should be good to go. Let's try to run the thing. After I'm gonna like make some compilation, make some errors that doesn't compile the thing. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, double. Okay, wait a second. So can we just do this? I don't know, probably. Yeah, let's try to run the thing. It doesn't mean like we have to pass in our number as a double. Oh, it works. Let's try to put in some sample. Should be 6. Bro, what? No way. Wait, let me. Like, I'm pretty sure this one work, but whatever. Run this one more time. Okay, we have a bug. Current A. Hold on. Wait, so it has to be like starting from 1, I think, because yeah. Yeah, it looks right. So let's not print that much things. Let's try the second sample, 70 and 10. Okay, it looks right. So I'm gonna submit this later. Let's move on to the third question. I'm pretty sure I won't like mess up the second one, even if I got 2 sample right. So it's really unlikely. Okay, J3, 2011, CCC. So let's take a look at the problem. Okay, so this one's pretty easy. So it has to be bigger than 0. So whenever the term is smaller than 0, it means like you got terminate. And you basically just like looping through until the smallest 0. Yeah. So the third term equals to the first term and the second term, and their what is it? Their difference. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. It's pretty easy. Import java.util.star. So let's create our scanner buddy. Scanner scan equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, I know I'm making typo. System scanner. Okay. So let's have an array list, or never mind, we don't need array list. We're gonna do this in a fancy way. We're gonna just keep two integers. The first integer gonna be called what? Gonna call Bessie, and the second integer gonna be called Farmer John. You have to say like that's good names for integers, and we're gonna take in inputs for those variables. Scan dot next int and Farmer John goes to scan dot next int as well. So let's use a while loop. So while the Bessie minus Farmer John is bigger than 0, minus Farmer John is bigger than 0, it means bigger or equal to 0. It means our program is like we still can have the sequence going. So let's create an int called third number equals to Bessie minus Farmer John. Farmer, I just put Farm John, but whatever. And we're gonna make Farmer John. We're gonna make Bessie Farmer John, and Farmer John the third number. BESSAE. And Farm John equals to third num. Okay. Let's have a counter to count the length of the thing. It starts with 2 because we have 2 number already. So counter increment 1 every time we run a while loop, every time we iterate through. So count plus plus, and at the end we're just gonna output the counter, which is pretty simple. Okay, let's try to run this. Bro, what? That's a lot of years. Okay, I spelled John wrong, so I'm just gonna spell it wrong. Just gonna just keep everything wrong. So 120 and 71. 5. Kaboom! Yeah, let's go. It works. Let's move on to J4. Pretty simple J3. Boring business. Wait, the Elon Musk just stole idea from this like CCC exam. I'm pretty sure about that. That's a good name. Like, okay, let's go. Wait, I have to find it out. When did Elon Musk found boring company? See, he found it in 2016. That's like way later than this question. So like in a way, Elon Musk just like stole idea. I don't want to get sued, so okay, I'm gonna not say anything anymore. Don't want to get sued. It's a lot of words. I don't want to read. So, give me a second. Gonna keep everything simple. You guys can read, pause and read. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Okay. Okay. Oh, I cannot get it. See, it's like another language. Just help you. So you're gonna read the English version because it's like more accurate. For future well. Oh, so it's like we cannot cross ourselves. So, okay. Starting from O -1 to -1, -5. This is pretty hard. Wait. 所以 start from 0, -1, move to -1, 5. Wait a second. So. Wait a second. 27 minutes. 0, -1. Wait, xy. Okay. -1, -5. Here. Left, right. Down to right 1. Our input is pretty small, okay? We can literally like put everything in a hash map. Wait, what does Q mean? Quit, okay. It basically means terminate. Oh, okay. R for right. Yeah. Right 2, down 10, right 4. Let's try the second sample. Right 2, down 10. Or like, it's already dangerous. Yeah. So wait, let's try some specifications. Okay. Oh my god. 200 times 200. It's like 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the 10, 4 times 10 to the power of 4, which is like basically nothing, so we can do whatever we want. Okay. where I don't want to, like, I still want to use Java, but I don't want to switch to C++. I don't think you have pairs in C++. Wait, never mind. I can just use a Boolean array. I mean, you don't have pairs in Java, so you can use a Boolean array to keep everything you have been, just to like mark it true. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm trying my best to use Java. So new repo Java. Let's call it I hate Java. Wait, can you create a Boolean array out of your main function? What? Well, the indentation is so weird. Bool. Visited. Just give it more space. Wait a second. Do I have to shift everything to the right so it doesn't have to be negative? Oh my god, I hate this. Okay, so there is a simple way. You just use set and store all the coordinates you have been to, and it will be so simple. But here I just think it's kind of hard to implement in Java. I hate Java. Maybe I'm just not good at Java. Okay. Wait, let me see this. So let's give it more space. 1000 and 1000. I'm pretty sure you have memory to do that. Wait, does it have like a memory specification? No, I think it's like it's enough. Okay, I'm like trying my best to use Java here. System dot in. Yeah, let's go. So do you remember that we have to encode in your program the current while plan? So we have to like mark all those stuff 0. Okay. I mean, mark all those stuff true. But let's do it in a simpler way. So let's create for function to like to just make our process simpler. Let's call it down public static void down int num dist. Let's just call it dist. Yeah. Wait, can you access an array that is already in the class? I don't know, so let's like make it passing array. Well, I think so. I think you can do it. So wait, I also need current positions. I just make a global scope. Uh, Let me think. It just flips the graph upwards, so like we don't have any zero, and shift it to the right for 200. So our starting position will be 200 and 0, and 1, 201. So yeah, test. I kind of hate this problem because it's like it's just time consuming, and yeah, I hate this problem. So it's going down, the depth is increasing, and dist. Yeah. Okay, can you now access this? Bro, what? No, just pass it in. If visited, it is true. Then wait. Let's change to int. If it's true, then if this is true, then it means like we have already been there. We're just gonna output okay. has to be capitalized. If I make mistake here, I'll be really sad. So let's just copy it. What happened? Up, left. So we are moving to the right, so it shouldn't be I. We don't even have I there, so it should be current Y. Bro, what happened? Oh yeah. Return current X. And that's how we're moving down and moving right. Okay, let's do moving up. So it should be current Y minus dist. Okay. If it's visited, then we're gonna return current Y. Wait a second, I think it can be equals to this. Okay, let's do move to left. So it should be current X. Current X is smaller than N. Wait a second. It's bigger or equal to. Yeah, it should be bigger or equal to, because we are moving up, which is like means increments absolute value of the y coordinate. So yeah. And let me resync this just to make sure. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna return connects. We are returning because we want to update our variables. Like Java isn't like C++ where you can like change global scope, just change variable in global scope. So yeah, I'm not sure though. I tried it, but it just right line my code, so I think it's kind of wrong. But be sure to point out if I'm wrong. So before we try to do any input, let's encode the original thing here. So current x, which is -1 plus 200, because we're shifting it right 200. Oh, we have to declare it here. I hate it. Jeez. If you can just like put these two wait a second. But if you add static, does it work? Wait. I'm sorry, Java. I'm pretty sure if you add static here, you can access them in any function. Shoot. Wait, let me try this. So, yeah, it worked. But whatever, I already wrote all those stuff, so I'm just gonna put it in the main function. Current y -1 plus 200. Wait a second. So, wait, that sounds true. That sounds true. It should be mass.abs because we're shifting it, like, no, reflect the thing. Okay. So let's do some moves down. To current x, current y, visited. Yeah, maybe I should just use C++. I don't know. Wait, why it's right lighted? Okay. Visited. So stupid. I can just copy everything. So it's right 2, up 2. So down to up 2. I'll probably already make some mistake in those functions I made. Yeah, I guess it will be a long time to debug for me, which is kind of sad because I hate debug so much. Let's move down by 4. Yeah. Move left by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. And off by 2. Jesus. Yeah, if I make those variables static, So I don't have to pass in all those kind of stuff, which is like, oh my god. I hope I know Java better. Okay, so let's basically we're gonna encode everything, and we're gonna use a while loop to while through this, to take in all the commands, and yeah, while true. If so, string or char, and int this scan char. If it's Q, it means we gotta quit. And that's like, let's just output what? Let's output, how many time I spent? Geez, 55 minutes. I hate this problem. Let's just break. Yeah. Otherwise, we're gonna do some magic stuff. Okay. So, if we face dangers, then we're just gonna system exit. Wait a second. So, yeah, I think I made a mistake, but I can fix it later. I think I gotta create an output statement. Like, I mean output function, just to make everything more organized. I don't know. Yeah, let's do it. Public static string. If safe or danger. Is this how to do it in Java? Okay. Oh no, there's like no autocomplete here. I think I'm like make a lot of spelling mistake, which is kind of sad. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here? What I'm gonna do here is if it's safe. So X gotta shift left 200. Y gotta shift down. I mean reflect down. So it's basically y times -1. Wait, why there's a tab here? So it should be plus plus, and put a space in the middle. So, and we also gotta output safe, because in this situation it's safe. Otherwise, if it's not safe, no. So I think this one gotta work. X is current X and Y is NN and false. Same goes for down. I mean up. I probably already made so many mistakes, but whatever. I think it's right. Switch. Case. I don't know how to use switch statement, so I'm just gonna use if else. If it's left, I'm just gonna go left. If it's left, okay. If it's left, then we're gonna this and current X, current Y, and visited. So if it didn't get terminated, we're still gonna output the same. Because it's safe, so we're gonna pass in true. Else, if cha. So these two are like exactly the same, except for it's right. Else, if it's going up, if it's right, wait, if it's down. You're still gonna output this. So last situation is down. I mean up. So it's basically this. Well, we're gonna pass it up. Wait, I swear to God, there's no way my code gonna work on my first try. Okay. I mean, let's try this. Whatever. 90 lines. That's like more than UC. Okay, I really hope this works, but whatever. Oh, oops. Wait a second. Oh, I see. Line 37. Come on, I don't want to debug on this for an hour. Bro, what? 43. Yeah, there's a lot of mistake. Like actually a lot of mistake. 22. Hey, what's wrong with this? Oh, I didn't create a scanner, did I? Oh, I didn't. Oh my god. So complicated. So I gotta create a string called new line. Scan on next line. Okay, next line. Let's make it a string array dot split. Split by a space. Goes to new line. Oh my god. It's so complicated. Just to take an input with chars. I have. Oh no. What? Illegal parenthesis expression. Oh, I forgot to capitalize. Frick. It didn't even underline it. It's so troll. Oh, it should be capitalized as well. Oh no. It doesn't mean it requires me to give it input. Wait. I hope so. So this is wrong. Save. Okay, I'm probably gonna pause the video and debug by myself. No. That's like it loses authenticity of live solving. Uh. Oh, this is very interesting. Is my starting position even wrong? Output. Huh. Comma. Wait, so -1 6, that's C. No, 1 6. So white is over there, which is kind of weird. So I guess 200, and y is 1. Okay. So it goes to, wait a second. 0, -4, negative. Okay, can I get it? So basically, I got -1 here. Down, right, -1. Wait a second. +1. +1. Okay. So now this should be working. So it should return me -1, 5. -5. Come on. Bro, what? 74. Oh, that's very interesting. Hold on. Go down by 3. Wait, guys, I can't pause the video and code everything in C++ because I just know it better. Sorry. Hey people, I'm back, and I just like spent 20 minutes or 10 minutes to code everything in C++, and guess what? It works. So yeah, friendly tip: don't ever try to solve a question with a language you're not very familiar. Yeah, so let's try to run the second sample. I just ran the first sample, it worked, and I'm not sure about the second sample. It probably doesn't work, but we will see. Personally, I think like in C++, it's easier to take in inputs, and yeah, like it's kind of like easier than Java in my opinion, but it varies from people. Yeah, it looks right. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I know where I got it wrong. So here, it shouldn't be this. We just delete it, and our code should be working. Okay, finally, let's move on to J5. Okay. Bro, I thought I was like gonna finish everything in 1 hour, but I'm getting like really slow. Yeah, it looks right. Okay, let's move on to J5. So J5 should be pretty okay, not too hard, not too easy. It's like a brown, silver 1 in 0 cycle and senior 2 to senior 3 in senior. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Well, this actually it looks pretty hard because I'm and I just know something about union and disjoint union sets, stuff like that, but I never like actually get into that. Okay. All right. We do not allow people to invite by more than one person. Okay. How many different side of people can be removed? Wait, you guys are not seeing this crap. Okay, okay. You can pause the video and take a look. Okay. Okay, so let's draw something out. Let me connect my iPad to the computer so you guys can see it. I mean, last question was like kind of interesting. The boring company one, a boring business. Okay. Give me a second. Let me just like connect my iPad. Wait a second. Wait a second. I connected to the wrong Wi-Fi, so okay, this should work. Wait a second. If I cannot connect, then I can only draw with my mouse, which is kind of sad. So basically, our wait. So the first one is N, and first one is N. So basically, I have 3 people. So 3 invited, 1 and 2. Jeez, it's not connecting. Oh, whatever. Wait, let me try to use another thing. Okay, huh. Okay, so okay, my pen is connected. Wait, let's take a look at the sample. Okay. The first number of the input. Yeah, straight people. Mark. Wait, does it mean like Mark will be n minus 1? Oh, person n is Mark. Wait, this one is actually kinda hard. Okay. So I have 3 and 1, 2. So how can we remove? So remove no one. Remove just 1. Remove 2. Remove 1, 2. Wait a second. Okay. So the first thing I noticed is like there's always one like include no one, so it's like 1 0 case. So we start from like no matter what kind of it be, what kind of like input it is, or whatever test case it is, it start from 1 because we can always remove nobody. Okay, that's the first thing we can take away. Wait, so can he only remove one person? Like, I mean, let's take a look at the second input. I think it will give us a better idea. So 1 is divided by 3. 2 is divided by 4. 3 is divided by 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So how many we can have? We can have 1, we can have 2, we can have 1, 2, we can have 1, 3. We can have 1, 2, 3. Okay. You also must remove 1. Let's take a look at the test case size. I mean, literally you can try out everything and see if it's possible. Wait. Okay. But this question is kind of easy if there's only 6 input. I mean the size of data is super small, then it's pretty simple. But what if it's really big? So you cannot remove 2 and 3. That's right. Wait, can you solve this with a DFS? So when you reach to the end of like a branch of a tree, you just return it? I don't think. Let me think. So you can 0. Hold on, let me count this. So you have 1 of 0. You see, oh no. So now I have an idea. Like I'm not sure if it's gonna I'm not sure. I think it's gonna work in this case, but I think it's not gonna work in like a super large quantity, super large data. So what I'm trying to do is like I recursively check if every number in a set has like its children. So if the set only has 3, then I'm gonna recursively check if all of 3's children is contained. if it's not contained, then this set doesn't work. So I instead of just generate all kinds of sets, like all sets. Yeah, and I'm gonna check each of them and remove invalid one. So I think this method is gonna work here because the data is so small. It's only like n smaller than 6. That's like nothing. So I'm not too worried like about it now. So let me try to code it out. I'm pretty sure you can find a smarter way, like way better way than this. I mean, this is like probably the hardest J5, probably. Oh, let me sync one more time, a little bit more. Yeah, I think my thing is really stupid, but I think it's gonna work because it seems to be right. Okay, let's use super good template I stole from internet. So we need our first input, which is n. Oh, I'm still coding C++ because I think I just know it better than Java. Okay. So once we have this, what we need to do next is we gotta we have to create all sets. Like we can have a vector called. Why my computer is lagging so much? Vector sets int all sets. So let's wait. What happened? Oh, why my computer is lagging so much? Okay, never mind. So basically, let me just create all kinds of sets. So there can be an empty one. Okay. Let's not care about the empty one. We're just gonna output this the count plus one as the end. Int I equals to 1, or called length. So okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna loop through and put everything in the vector. Frick, it's not I, it's length. Yeah, I think this problem is definitely harder than those like simple DFS. Okay, now what? Now let's use loop again and put everything in the loop. Oh no. Yeah, I mean n is only smaller than 6, so whatever. I think basically you can write whatever you want and it will work. So start from 1. Let me think. Yeah, basically. So yeah, let's use one more for loop. Jesus, 3D for loop, nested for loop. Let's create a set here. I plus what? I plus length. Yeah. J plus plus. So new sets. Okay. So let's try to print everything, see if my code work. Set int okay. What do I do now? Hold on. Should be here. Not capitalized. Okay, let's try to run this thing. Just want to test it out. Let's try to test for a compiler is like slow as a turtle. What? It's literally like taking me 10 seconds to build up. This is pathetic. Okay. 1, 2. So I don't want to for. Hold on. Oh, yeah, making those stupid mistakes. Jeez. Oh, it's not I. Lens. Okay. So stupid. Should I pause the video just to like code it on my own, because this OBS thing is really slowing my computer down. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's good. And now we just need to remove the things that is impossible. So for I++, it's set int current set. No. If we're gonna try to violate, or whatever it pronounces, we're just gonna check. Okay, check. Bool, check. Set int so basically we're still gonna create a graph at first. Vector of int graph, and we gotta take in all those inputs. Okay, so we can just directly set it as 3, oh, no, 7 vector int. No, we don't need it. Okay. One. I dot pushback. So our graph is down. So basically now we're just gonna use DFS to check. Okay. Okay. Let me think. How do we check this? My brain is so slow right now. Gee. Oh, okay. I can use BFS as well, so I don't have to recursively check it. I remember I have a BFS template, but whatever. Don't want to use a template. So, okay. For int. We're still need a DFS actually. Wait. Oh, I already forgot everything of DFS. So basically, if it doesn't contain none, we're just gonna return false. Oh, I'm already confused. Like, oh my god. Let me resync what I did. Okay. Okay. Put it here. If check, boolean check. If DFS curl is false, then we're just gonna return false. Otherwise, we return true. Okay. So if check all sets the I is false, then it means like it's invalid. Then we're gonna erase it. All sets erase all sets. Dot begin plus I minus. Bro, how many time I spent on this? Oh my gosh, 2 hours. That's so slow. Okay, see out. All sets dot size +1 because we have the empty thing. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Bro, I'll be so happy if this works. Like, it's literally garbage code. Okay, 3. What? 1? No. That's too sad. Okay, let's try the second one. If I make any mistake, it will be in the DFS. And check. Still 1. Oh. if it's false, it means like everything is wrong. Everything is returned false. So it's basically means like, huh. Oh, this is sort of interesting. This one gotta be like a musical silver 1 or silver 2, in my opinion. So I never reached to this place. It's just kinda sad. The size. Okay, every comment is fine. Oh, so CS pushback I. So this should be right. The graph was stored in a wrong way, so kind of pathetic. Okay, that's close. That's close. That's like one thing away. Yeah, but this one is right. Okay. Yeah, so I got output the erase once. For int j, int k, j. So I'm gonna check which one I have removed. So I think it can help me to spot my mistake. This doesn't need. I don't need this one. Okay, I have a feeling we're really close. Okay, I mean, in that contest we still have time, but bro, it's just junior. Okay. What? What? Oh, okay. Still building. Jesus Christ. So slow. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot to change. Stupid. Bro, this is so slow, the compiling. Okay, 5. Wait, isn't this right? Yeah, that's right. And how am I making a mistake? 3, 3, 3, 4. Oh, so this one is wrong. Wait a second. Wait a second. Well, I think both are right, but yeah, nothing is removed here. Huh. Very interesting. Very interesting. Let's redo this one. Yeah. I mean, so in total, what if we don't remove any? Okay. I mean, comment this area. Okay. Oh, 8, 7. It means we missed one thing. Which is not cool, which is not cool. Huh. Let me just try to, like, for set int I all sets. Let me just print every set I generate. So it should give me a pretty good idea. Okay. Oh, I see. I forgot to generate 1, 3. So it is the way I generate those sets is wrong. Okay, I just did some work, like I changed my way to generate all those sets to combination. Like I recursively loop through, recursively just generate all those combinations, and then like I think my code work. So as you can see, it outputs 6, which means it's kind of right. So let's run this. Yeah, I think this is right. Yeah, I think this is right. Let's run the sample one more time. So yeah, so basically, like, it took me 2.5 hours to do this, which is, I think, kind of long. Wait, where's my int lines? Anywhere else? Okay, delete it. Oh yeah. So I think, yeah, I can do a better job if I like, I don't know. But yeah, so I think this one is actually not super easy. Wait, what happened? So delete this line. But I believe I just did this question in the dumbest way ever. And yeah. So later I can submit it to the grader and see if my thing work. It would be really sad if I only pass the sample. Yeah, so 2011's Junior 5 is kind of different from other years. So like usually it's just a simple BFS, and I kind of underestimate this question. And the J4, that J4 is kind of troll. Like if I don't use Java, I can finish like in 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I don't know. But after I use Java, I literally spend like 1 hour to code Java, which doesn't even work as in. So I just did it in C++ and it worked. So I mean, I'm not saying Java is super bad. I'm just saying like I'm using Java in a poor way. So yeah. So I think I got perfect score for junior contest. Let me just like try to run it. And guys, as you can see, oh shoot, I'm exposing my name, but never mind. Whatever. So it's like all the test cases passes. So I think I got perfect score for this contest. Within 2.5 hours, which is not impressive at all. Oops. Oh, again, like, oh shoot, shouldn't show my real name. That's kind of like dangerous on internet. Okay, so let's slide a little. Oh, you guys cannot see this. Oh, that's nice. So you guys didn't see my real name. Okay, good. So now you can see I got this question right, full score, which is kind of nice. Like yeah. So I never did this question before, like any kinds of question like this before, but I still got it right, so pretty happy. Yeah. So and as you can see, time limit here is 5 seconds. That's literally like forever. It's like give you a year to